Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Carbon monoxide and other toxic fumes. Well, the high heat from an oven's self-clean feature burns all that charred food away. That's how it makes your oven so clean. But in doing so, carbon monoxide is produced. Carbon monoxide is a hard-to-detect gas, which is dangerous for human and animal health.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Here's how to use it. This trick is not safe for gas ovens. Heat your electric oven to 150 degrees, turn oven off. Then place a small bowl of ammonia, half cup, on your top shelf and a pan of boiling hot water on the lower shelf. Close oven door and let it sit there overnight.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.